Hello gentlemen, SH130 is here with Hyundai construction equipment. Behind me there is the new HX130ACR. It has all the wonderful features the previous model have, plus we have added new features customers asked for. In this time, I'm going to show you these features. Let's start walk around. First, Cummins F3.8 engine with Stage 5 emission regulation has been installed in this model. We optimized the engine power not to use SCR. That means you still don't need to fill DEF tank to operate machine. It increases serviceability and lowers operating cost. Second, it has a new hydraulic system called IPC upgrade. Thanks to this system, fuel efficiency has been improved by reducing unnecessary hydraulic flow. It can save about 19% of fuel than previous model at pin mode. Also, operability is better due to reduction of RPM drop at sudden operation, and noise of idle condition is reduced. Next, you can see the green-gray color attachment. It looks nice and robust. Also, this color makes dirt and grease less visible, so many customers speak highly of it. HX130ACR has 4.3-meter monoboom and 4.56-meter two-piece boom. Also, there are three kinds of arms: 1.98 meter, 2.26 meter, and 2.81 meter. We introduced a new attachment bush called dimple bush. It has better durability and grease lubrication. Also, bucket with hammerless tooth is provided for North American market. As you can see, grease ports for arm and pin are located on the left side of the arm. Previously, grease port was located on pin center, but it was difficult to feed grease to arm and pin in case of pin replacement. With this improvement, feeding grease is way convenient. Next to the arm, there are several option pipings such as 1A, 2A, and rotating piping. And one of option pipings, which is located very left side, is from bucket cylinder. You can use bucket line if you screw the switch on 3 valve with this option. All the dodge cylinder hoses are above the dodger, not to be damaged from the ground. Also, there is an option for laminated cabin front glass. When something crashes through it, broken pieces are not dispersed. We improved the size of a toolbox step. It becomes wider and larger than that of a previous model, so you can easily go up the machine above. Step size and vertical gap comply with ISO regulation. Also, we've changed the door latch design. This new latch increases locking force when vibration is severe during working condition. Next, MCB loom becomes wider than the previous model. We made the RH side as straight as possible to expand the inner area. By doing so, there is enough room for MCB maintenance. But RH cowl does not protrude from tail swing radius. There is an optional fuel filler pump with automatic stop function. As I mentioned, this machine does not use SCR in after-treatment system. There is no DEF tank, so MCB loom is wider than other compact radius per excavator. When you open the car cover, lift the latch and screw 90 degrees clockwise, and vice versa for closing the cover. There are several filters in the pump room. Pre-filter with water separator, fuel filter, and drain filter can be accessible. Please note that if you use our scale for engine oil, you can extend the replacement interval. The fitting including filter is connected on the pump regulator, and it improves oil leakage. Also, air compression option and coolant heater option are available. Due to confined space in CR excavator, you can choose only one option between them. Air compressor or coolant heater is located below main pump. Air compressor installed this machine does not have air tank, so there is less chance of breakdown of the air compressor. and it doesn't occupy much space. If you trigger and release air gun at regular intervals, you can get constant airflow. Counterweight shape of HX130ACR has been changed. Counterweight forming became simple with better design. Hyundai decal attached on the surface will become larger also, and special pattern will be added on the surface. You can easily access to engine oil filter through counterweight hole when you take off cover. Engine oil filter is located in the middle of the hole. You can check other engine service parts like ECM through this hole also. As you might know, counterweight cover on 10-ton class CR excavator is one of our strong points. And lower frame has even ground clearance. Production-wise, welding between bottom and side frame becomes easier, so it gives better quality of the roll frame.
그다음에 이쪽은 쿨링룸인데요. 쿨링룸 열어보시면 일단 첫 번째로 말씀드릴 게 이쪽에 이제 쿨러입니다.
When you open cooling room cover, you can find the stacked cooling module. As the CAC, radiator, and hydraulic oil cooler are arranged in a line, fresh air can be directly passed to cooling module. Cleaning of the cooling module is easier than that of a previous model. Location of a washer tank has been changed from above the batteries to RH side. You can change batteries more easier.
특별한 게 없네요. 특별한 거 없고.